like to bring your concentration, bring your ideology towards the topic of the previous class. As you all know that in the previous class we have discussed about the polynomials, types of the polynomials on the basis of the terms, on the basis of the degree. We have discussed some of the topic about the zeros of the polynomial. How can we classify whether the given term is a polynomial or not. On such topic we have discussed in our previous classes. So students, according to those basics, we can easily solve the exercises, first two exercises of our test book. So today we will proceed the polynomial to our next session of the next exercise of our class. So today what we will see, lots of confusion in our mind is there. In the book somewhere it's written in the form like this: px, fx. So we just read it simply as a px, fx, but what it is exactly? Students, these words indicates polynomial whose variable is x. This is p polynomial. Okay, p polynomial whose variable is x. F polynomial whose variable is x means it might be like this: px equal to x square plus 5 means px will tell us that whatever the polynomial that is given to us will be always in terms of the variable x. If somewhere if you write like this: px equal to z square plus 2 plus z, so this is the wrong statement. This is your wrong statement, just because I have just told you that polynomial whose variable is x. For this, then what you have to write? For this you have to write pz equal to z square plus 2 plus z. So this is your students the meaning of px, fx, rx, gx, whatever you determine, whatever you consider. Fx will always represent the polynomial in terms of x. Okay, px will always represent the polynomial in terms of x. Okay. Now, let's come to the next topic. Division algorithm of the polynomial. In the polynomial, you will see a division algorithm. In that, you will see it's written like this: px equal to gx into qx plus rx. This is your division algorithm. So what is it? It is division algorithm means simply here is your px, here is your gx. On dividing you will get a qx, and whatever here you will get, that is your rx, means remainder. Means, and this is only possible when px is greater than gx or px equal to gx. The words are going in your mind. What I have written on the board? Let's come to the clarity of the statement. Suppose you are given a number. I gave you a number, suppose 5, and you are told to divide it by 3. So simply this will represent your gx. This 5 will represent your px. And when you will divide it, you will get 1 time. Here you will get 3, and the remainder you will get 2. This one is your qx. This 2 can be your remainder. So this is the division of the constants of a number, but here you are given the division of the algebraic polynomials. Polynomials are given to divide. And what is it? Px greater than gx. So if you compare it, if you will compare these statement, so here px, here is your px, means px is divided by gx, means 5 is divided by 3, so 5 is greater than 3. Here px greater than gx, 5 is greater than 3. Or when you are told to divide 3 by 3 one time, that means it's your px and it's your gx. So here 3 3 both are the equal statement. In this case we can say that px is equal to gx, means what? Polynomial p whose variable is x, polynomial g whose variable is x, polynomial r whose variable is x, polynomial q whose variable is x. And this is generally written on the, as you all know that the dividend equal to division into quotient plus remainder. So this is your student, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is your division algorithm, but px equal to gx into qx plus rx, it is the division algorithm of the polynomial. Just because the any polynomial can be, it contains the variable in it. So here we have taken the variable x, so the polynomial p whose variable is x, means here it is represented as the divisor it's represented as a gx, means what? Polynomial g whose variable is x into quotient is represented as a qx, means polynomial q polynomial whose variable is x plus rx, means remainder is your rx, means polynomial r whose variable is x. So this is nothing, this is the just different way of the representation of the division algorithm in your polynomial. So just because we call it as a division algorithm of a polynomial or polynomial division algorithm. Okay, so what is it? Px equal to gx into qx plus rx, simply dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now what today we will do? Today we will discuss about the division of the polynomial. Okay, so for that what we require first of all a question for division. So let's come to the point. Suppose you are given the value px equal to a question, I gave you the px equal to 4x square minus 5x plus 2, and you are given as a gx equal to x minus 1. Okay, you are told to divide it, means the question is divide px by gx. Okay, so simply you will do what you will do. First of all, the thing that you have to keep in your mind is that first number, the degree of the polynomial must be arranged in decreasing order. The degree must be arranged in decreasing order. This you have to keep in your mind, that degree, here just you see the degree, x to the power 2, x to the power 1, here is nothing, we can say x to the power 0. Here x to the power 1, here nothing, x to the power 0, means degree is 2, degree is 1, degree is 0, degree is 1, degree is 0. Means first of all you have to arrange the degree in a decreasing order. If it is in decreasing order, then no need of arranging. Okay, now see, you are given to divide. Just you will write a question in division form. like this, x minus 1. Here you will write 4x square minus 5x plus 2. This is your division. Second that you have to think about is that first of all you have to talk about the sign. Sign means what? Plus and minus. Okay. Then you have to just keep out the words and numerals. Fourth, degree of the polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Only these three concepts you have to follow, then you can easily divide a polynomial by a given polynomial. What I have written here? Sign. So first of all, what you have to do for the division of the polynomial, just see after keeping the mind on the degree arrangement. It must be in decreasing order. First of all, see whether it's in decreasing or not. Degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. Degree 1, degree 0. It is in decreasing order. First statement is clear. Sign. So for the sign means plus and minus. See the first term. Here it's your 4x square. What is the sign hidden here? It's positive and here also positive. That means whatever the value we will keep here, that will be positive just because we have to bring the positive. Just for example, if you divide the 5 by 2, here you will write 2 and then here you write 4 minus 1 means whatever the value that you keep at the place of the quotient, you multiply it with the division. Then 2 2s are 4. Whatever the value that is placed over here, you multiply it by the divisor, and whatever the productive value you get, you write it here. Okay? So just you have to think the same time. Just here also, first of all, you have to think about the sign. At the sign positive, you have to bring the sign positive. Here also the first sign is a positive. That means here it will be also the positive. But for the first term, we don't write the sign positive. Okay? Then we have to think about the numerals. What is the numbers? What is the number over here? The multiple of x square is what? 4. Here we have got no any multiple of x. The place is vacant. There is no any multiple. Means we have to bring the 4. So we will just simply write 4. Okay? Now, third statement is your degree of a polynomial. So here the degree is 2 and here the degree of x is nothing than 1. So how much degree is remaining? Here degree is 2, here degree is 1. Means how many degree of the polynomial x we will take, that will fulfill the degree 2. Means only 1, degree 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Means only 1. So we will just write 4x. Here we have obtained the first value 4x at the place of the quotient. Now this value term will get multiplied to this. If you are getting any confusion in multiplication, just do it in a rough side. 4x, x minus 1, multiply 4x by x, you will get 4x square. 4x into a minus 1, so minus 4x. This is your product. Okay? Now, whatever the product you get, just try to write those products below the same degree of the given polynomial. Here the degree is 2, so just write it below the 4x square. Okay? Next one is your minus 4x, so minus 4x. Just write it below the same degree. Okay? After writing this value, what we do? We subtract. So for subtraction, you must read in class 8 about the subtraction of the polynomial. What we do? We just interchange the sign. So here you have got the sign of the 4x square is positive, interchanges to minus. Here it's a minus, it will get changed to plus. Okay. Now we don't have to think about this sign just because we have changed the sign to the positive. Whatever the sign that has been changed, we have to just think on that sign. Okay. So here the sign is positive. Here 4x square is positive and the sign of this 4x square has changed to negative. So when you will do the sum, it will sum to 0. You may simply cancel it over here. Okay. Now minus 5x, not minus 4x. We will take plus 4x just because we have changed the sign. Okay. So minus 5x plus 4x. You will get minus x. Okay, minus 5x plus 4x minus x, and whatever the value is here, just write it over here. Now the first step of the division gets completed. Now what we will do? We will continue our process. Same sign. What the sign is here? Negative. What is here? Positive. Then how can we bring the negative sign if the sign of the first sign of the division is positive, and positive will get multiplied to negative, then only it will result in negative sign. Okay. So here's the minus, here's the plus, then simply you can write minus over here. Numerals. Is there any number? Nothing. That means 1. Here is also nothing. 1. No numbers. Degree of the polynomial, degree x, the degree of x is over here 1. Here also the degree of x is over 1. The degree are the same. That means just write minus 1. Okay. So minus 1 when get multiplied with x minus 1. X minus 1, you will get minus x plus 1. Write it just over here. Minus x plus 1. Change the sign. Minus will change to positive. This positive will change to negative. Minus x plus x. It will get cancelled out. Plus 2. The sign of this one is not positive. It will be negative. The plus 2 minus 1. That means you will get 2 minus 1 is your minus 1. Okay. So this is student your division. This is your babu division. We will discuss one more question regarding this. No need to come in panic. Now we will see another question of the division. Suppose a number is given as a 2x minus 1 and you have to divide 4x cube minus 6x square minus 2. This is your division, babu. What you will do now? What you will do now for dividing the topic for division, we have to follow the same process. Process is, first of all, you have to see the arrangement of the degree of the polynomial, whether it is arranged or not. So here degree is 3 to 0. Means degree is here in decreasing order. Degree 1, degree 0. It's in decreasing order. Now, second you have to think about the sign. What is the sign here? Positive. Positive. Here you will also get the positive. Okay. Numbers 4 and here is your 2. So 2 into 2 you will get 4. Just write it 2 over here. Degree of the polynomial, degree 3. Degree of the x is over here 1. So how much degree can make it 3? The degree 2. 2 plus 1, the 2x square. So whatever the value 2x square you will get there, just multiply it. 2x square into 2x minus 1. After multiplying the value you will get 4x square. 4x cube minus 2x square. Okay. So just write the value below the like variables. 4x cube minus 2x square. Change the sign. 4x cube is a positive, negative, minus है तो positive. This value will get cancelled out. Minus 6x square plus 2x square. You will get minus 4x square minus 2. Okay? Now again, same sign. The sign is here over negative, here positive. Then you will get negative over here. Then the negative into positive will get negative. Okay? Minus 4x square. 4. Here's your 2. The 2 times 4. The 2. Degree of the variable 2. Degree of the variable 1. So how much degree is remaining? X. So minus 2x into minus 2x into 2x minus 1. You will get minus 4x square plus 2x. Okay? So just write it, minus 4x square plus 2x. Just change the sign. Positive, negative. Cancel it out. Okay? Here's your 2x. In the above polynomial, you have not got the polynomial in terms of x. Okay? So just if it's not there, just write the simply value. The sign of 2x has changed to negative. Just write it 2 minus 2x, and in the here you got minus 2. Okay? No need of problem. No need. No error. Now same process. Sign minus plus minus. Okay? Now what you will do? Numbers 2, 2. Clear? Degree of the variable 1, 1. Clear? Just keep the value 1. So you have got minus 1 into 2x minus 1. You will get minus 2x plus 1. Minus 2x plus 1. Positive, negative. Cancelled. Here you got the minus 3. This is your division. Okay? I hope now the things has got clear to you. We will see one more topic related to division itself. That is that. First of all, what we have to see? We have to see that arrangement of the given polynomial must be in decreasing order. Suppose you are given a question like this, x cube plus x to the power 4 plus x, okay, and you have to divide this term by 1 plus x. Okay, you have to divide it by 1 plus x. Oh sir, it is complicated. No sir, it's not complicated. Just you have to make the arrangement first of all. How you will make the arrangement? You will write it x plus 1, and here you will write x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x. It's clear? Now you have to process your division. So first of all, what you have to see? The management of the degree of the polynomial, that must be in decreasing order. Okay? Now, in some of the contents of your book, it must say that verify your division algorithm. So for the verification of the division algorithm, what you will do, for its verification, you know that, we know that Px equal to what? Gx into Qx plus Rx. Okay? So just suppose we are here to verify the division algorithm for this division. Okay? So just first of all, what you will do, you will write the value of Px. Px is your 4x cube minus 6x square minus 2. Your Gx is your what? 2x minus 1. Your Qx is your 2x square minus 2x minus 1. your Rx is -3. Okay, now we have to verify this division by our division algorithm. Okay, so for that we know, just simply we know that this statement you will write, just substitute the value 4x cube minus 6x square minus 2 equal to gx 2x minus 1 into 2x square minus 2x minus 1 plus minus 3 remainder. Okay, just multiply this by this, 4x cube minus 4x square minus 2x minus 2x square minus 4x minus 2x minus 2x square plus 2x plus 1, and here's the minus 3. Okay, now see 4x cube, thus you will get minus 6x square minus 6 square, this plus 2x minus 2x will cancel out, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. This is your, and this value means px is exactly same as gx into qx plus rx. So in this way we can do the verification of our division by polynomial division algorithm. So I hope you have understood the topic of the today. If you have got the some doubt, you can query me, and about 14 to 15 questions you have got in your exercise. I request you to solve your questions properly in your copy, and wherever you get the doubt you can query me. Okay, in our next class we will discuss about the remainder theorem and the factor theorem. Okay, so minor concept of the remainder theorem I would like to just tell you, and we will discuss more detail in about the remainder theorem in our next class. But what is the remainder theorem? If the division is your clear that I have taught you today, if the division gets clear to you, you can easily understand the remainder theorem. So first of all, just clear the topic of your division first of all, division of the polynomials, then we will continue to the topic of the remainder theorem in our next class. Till then, take care, bye bye.